time. They have a little fire going on.
That is yours. Are you kidding me? It's on a chain, dude. Let's go. Let's go. That one's heat. What is that one in the back? Yo, no, that's us three.
Oh.
I'm gonna get it. Me, Richie, and Kyle. We just need to tam one of them up a little bit. Oh, look at his legs. He gets it. Oh, Richie, here you go, bro. I found yours.
Oh, let's go.
There it is.
The Chevy Rex right there.
The kicks. Kicks of the day. Mine are whack. Everybody get their kicks.
For you? Nah, no way.
What you get?
It's tough, dude. That's why I can't believe we found this.
I know, right?
My hobby.
Now to get myself. Is this me right here? The helmet? Jingle. Is it?
Yeah, that's me and you.
Okay, perfect. Look at it.
This is hobby.
Oh, nice.
Little deer.
Where's Buster?
Oh, Buster.
We're gonna look for a tree now.
I guess. Oh, yeah.
What about this one? This one's huge.
Look at that. Is that a... Oh my god, dude. That's an old fucking STI, bro. Impreza STI.
No way.
Yeah, it is, bro.
It's like a 98.
98, bro. Yeah.
Oh my. Like we found it.
Yep, that's it.
There she is. This one right here? Yeah.
Nah, we don't.
Oh no, we
Nah.
just moved here randomly.
You on YouTube?
Yeah, we are.
What's your name?
The doghouse, no spaces.
Yep.
I'll check.
We're about to put an 8-foot tree on one of these, dude. This is ridiculous. Just wait and see how this goes. Man, that thing's getting shook. Why are you shaking? Bro.
Oh dear. Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Appreciate it, guys.
Thank you so much.
You too, man. Thank you, guys.
Okay. Let's get home.
Oh, look at there they are.
Yeah.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're on our way to take some flicks of the Lexus with the tree on it. You know,
We got some
I know, we
string.
got some string holding this thing up. But it's about to look clean. After that, we're about to go back home and take team photos with everybody. Make sure you smash that subscribe button because season 2 is coming, baby. The next video after this, after our Christmas video, we'll go crazy, and then we're going back to Mass for Christmas. So stay tuned for those.
Going back to the hometown.
Yes, sir.
Ain't trying to really, you know.
Yeah. We'd love to stay here. What you think? She's ready to go. Got a little sap on it, but you know, buckets. Happy Christmas! Watch the door.
Fucking take this thing off before I do this. It's just completely white. Oh.
Oh my god.
Keep going. Keep bringing it down a little bit if you can.
Hi, kitty. How are ya? Did I go tree?
Make sure these.
Can you fill this in with water?
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Sorry. Oh snap. Oh snap.
Oh my god. What's going on here?
Out of reach, bro. Oh, the branch just slapped me in the leg. Oh!
There it goes.
Damn!
There it goes. Nice.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, bro, I'm holding it, bro. Like, dude,
It was like going up, yeah. You wanted to fly away, bro.
Time for pictures! Oh shit.
We back. I did not like that. That's clean.
Room 2.